Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we'll explore how to master the settings of the Dyna-Vt transmission. To start, access the main menu. Then click on the Transmission Settings menu. All available settings will appear on the screen. First, this screen informs us of the driving mode in which our tractor is operating, manual or automatic transmission configuration, as well as field or transport mode. The first setting concerns the default startup speed of your tractor in forward and reverse. Click on the value and adjust it according to your needs. On the Dyna-Vt transmission, the startup speeds are expressed in driving speed in both manual and automatic mode. Note that when you change the default speed in forward, the value applied to reverse is synchronized to use this same value. If you change the reverse speed, the forward speed will not be modified. Next, the following two parameters concern the transmission's responsiveness to acceleration and deceleration. The acceleration setting is adjustable at 3 levels: low, medium, high. The deceleration setting is adjustable at 4 levels: very low, low, medium, high. You will find 2 settings on the bottom line, C1 and C2, which correspond to 2 target cruise speeds that can be configured. You can engage these cruise speeds later using the buttons on the multipad. For specific applications, it's important to limit the tractor's maximum speed. The setting located at the bottom right allows you to set this maximum speed. The accelerator pedal stroke adjusts itself to match with the authorized maximum speed. Next, access the second settings page. The first parameter corresponds to the aggressiveness of the reversing, adjustable at 4 levels. This allows the tractor to be more or less aggressive when reversing direction. The next parameter concerns the transport supervisor. Adjustable between 0 and 30%, this setting allows a more or less significant drop in engine speed to maintain the desired speed and/or traction. The higher the percentage, the more variation in engine speed is allowed, and thus the transmission is more heavily loaded to maintain speed. This is a very important setting for pure traction or transport applications. The PTO supervisor, located just below, allows for a more or less significant drop in PTO speed in case of high engine load. The lower the percentage, the less variation in PTO speed is allowed, which is crucial during PTO applications. Next, you can activate neutral at brake pedal. When stopping, you can use only the brakes, and the transmission will shift to neutral for precise and comfortable operations. Finally, you can activate the coupling effect for demanding applications, such as pushing silage or pushing into a thick manure pile. This setting disengages the transmission when the engine load is too high. This optimizes pushing power, limits slippage, and ensures a high engine speed to deliver the necessary torque for your operations. You are now ready to fully utilize your tractor equipped with the Dyna-Vt transmission. It's your turn to try.